Namaste and welcome to lecture 6 of decimals. Today we will be doing comparing decimals. Okay, that means we will compare two decimals when they are unlike, okay, or like. But first of all, we will understand how to compare decimals. There are 2 points. One is we have to convert and then we have to compare. You have to make the use of convert and compare. See what you have to convert and what you have to compare when two decimal numbers are given to us. For conversion, we will convert unlike decimals to like decimals. This is the first point. First, we have to convert unlike into like decimals. And second is to compare. What you have to compare? The first point of that is we have to compare the whole number part. We know what is a whole number part of a decimals. That is 5.62 is given, then 5 is the whole number and this is the decimal part. So you have to compare the whole number part. Decimals with greater. In that, decimals with greater whole part, that is whole number, we can say, are greater. This is very simple to understand. What is the meaning of this? That when two numbers are given to us, suppose 5.62 and 6.62 is given to us, we will compare first the whole number parts. Here 5 and 6 is given. 6 is greater than 5, correct? So we will say this decimal is greater. Okay, so this way you have to compare the whole number part. Now if the whole number parts are same, when whole number parts are same, then at that time what you have to do? See, then you have to compare 10th places. 10th places. Okay, the meaning of this is decimal with greater digit in 10th place is greater. Okay, now see, if there is a number, for example, to understand this point, let us take a number. That is, if I take 1.01, this is one number, and the other one is 1.10. Now here, what are equal? The whole number parts are equal. Correct? They are equal. So now we will check the 10th place. 10th place is here, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, we know, on the right side of the decimal point, correct? Then here, in the 10th place, the digit 1 here in the number is 0, and the other number it is 1. So we will say 1 is greater than 0. Then we will say, therefore, 1.01 is less than 1.10. This thing they want to tell us, that when the whole number part is same, you have to check the 10th place. Okay, and to compare, the third point is when whole number part and the 10th place are equal, then what will you compare? Then compare hundredths place. The meaning of this is the decimal or the digit. We will write first digit, not decimal. Let us write the digit, then compare. Okay, digit which is greater in hundredths place is greater. And similarly, you will take the thousands place also. Okay, so now if hundreds place, that is, let us take one example for the same. Suppose a number is given to us 5.64 and 5.60. Now here the whole number part, what is the whole number part? Is 5. It is equal, so we cannot compare from there. Now what is the 10th place? Here is 6, which is equal. Both the numbers is having, both these digits are having 6 in the 10th place. Now let us compare the hundredths place, which is one is 4 and the other is 0. So we will say 4 is greater than 0. Therefore, 5.64 is greater than 5.60. This way you will compare the decimal numbers. Okay, let us do an example. Say which is greater of 48.23 and 39.35. This is very easy. Why? Because 48.23, here I will write, this is the whole number part, correct? And here it is 39.35. I don't have to go to the tens place also here. This is also the whole number part. Now we know that 48 is greater than 39. Therefore we can write 48.23 is greater than 39.35. Got it? Here it is very easy. Directly from the whole number part only we can do. Let us take one more example of the same. That is, if it is asked which is the smaller of 0.58 and 0.84. Now see, which one is the smaller? Here the whole number part, that is 0, is equal. Then they are also like decimals, so we don't have to convert. Okay, as they are like decimals, we have to keep them as it is. Now let us write 0.58 here and 0.84 here. Now here whole number part is 0, which is equal. Then we will compare the 10th place. So 10th place is 5 and 8, correct? So what we can say here, that 5 is less than 8. Already we have to find smaller only, so we will write therefore 0.58 is less than 0.84. So we can say 0.58 is the smaller digit. Got it? Now see, if it is asked to us, let us take one more example for the same. 0.109 blank 0.83. This is the filling the blank, and we have to put greater or smaller. That is, we have to compare. Let us compare both of them, 0.19 and 0.83. Now there are 3 decimal places, here there are 2, so they are unlike fractions, correct? Or unlike decimals. We will convert them into like decimals. So we will write 0.109 and 0.830. Now they are like because they both have 3 decimal places. Okay, now let us compare the whole number part first. What is a whole number part? That is 0 and which is equal. So we can't do anything with it. Let us go to the 10th place. Here it is 1 and 8. Now no need to go to the hundreds place. From here only we can decide 1 is less than 8. So therefore 0.109 is less than 0.830. and this is the answer. So here in the blank you will write less than. Okay, first you have to make them into like decimals, and then we will compare the whole number part and the tens part. This way we have to do the sums. Suppose, let us take one more blank, that is 0.93 and 0.99. We have to find smaller or greater. That is, we have to compare them. Now they are, first point, like decimals. Yes, they are like decimals. Correct. Second point, let us check the whole number part. What is the whole number part? It is 0. So it is equal. So now we will go to the tens place, that is in the after the decimal point. Here it is 9 and 9. Again they are equal. So we will go to the hundreds place. Now here the hundreds place is 3 and 9. Here we can say 3 is less than 9. Therefore 0.93 is less than 0.99. So this is the comparison of the given blank. Okay, this way you compare the decimals. So here I end my lecture. We will meet in the next lecture with a new concept. So thank you very much, and please like, share and subscribe our channel.